Okay, the little assumption I'm making is that you have already logged into your account. So once you've logged into your account, you know how to find these. You simply click on HTML. That is, you click on this part here, that is the HTML. Then you'll be able to find this, what is down here. You can set either the number of ads, you can change, you can leave it blank that way. As for the border color, you can also just, yeah, you can just assume the default values that are there. Now don't do anything, just come down here. As you can see, mine have 108 clicks and I'm having 108 earnings. That is what I'm having at the moment. I think I'll just do some magic again to add it more. So please, on this region, this is the begin StarClicks, whatever, it's something elongated, so just long press on it till you see something like select all, then please copy. Once you've copied, you can go and start a new page. That is, yeah, you add a new tab on your phone. You just type blogger.com. Then once you type blogger.com, this is how it will take you to something like this. So if you've not checked on how to create your own first blog page using your account, that is your Gmail account, please check on the previous video. That is the other video that has the instructions on how to start on creating a blog page. So for this, the simplest thing you do now, you can see I have 00 here. I just deleted every other post that I had so that I can simply give you the layout of what is needed. Now we can either click on this plus sign down here, or we can just click these three lines here on top left corner, that is all then 0, then the 3 dashes here on top. It will give us this new post, whatever, or we can just simply click on the plus sign to add a new post. So let's try to find a new post, and my title for this post is going to be something like, the previous one was earning, so this time around I'm going to call this StarClicks. So you can just give it a different name, whatever name that is going to be good for you. So I'm just choosing StarClicks. It's no big deal, but it's something. So once I'm done with that, on this blank region down here, just click any point. Now once you start writing, let's say we are trying to see how this works. So it's that simple. As you've seen what I've written. Now on this left side, just where you see something like a pencil here, just click on the pencil sign. I think I'm clicking that. You see, I'm having an HTML view and also a compose view. Now we are on compose view. That's why we can just simply, we are trying to see how this works. Now that is a simple compose view that it has no magic that you don't understand, which is pretty awesome, because if you try to understand how it happened, you're gonna have headache. So let's forget about the headache and go to HTML view. Now with the HTML view, you're seeing something like P and these magics here, you don't even understand them. Don't bother about them. As long as you've written your article, that is written something that you see, like for example mine is StarClicks. So for example, if your heading could be something like chefstry, that is, you love cooking, so you want to talk about chefstry, then you could be talking on an article about how food is made and all those stuff, and how you prepare your food and stuff and pictures and all those things. But now coming home here, don't do anything else, just highlight, click anywhere to highlight the system to be ready to type anything. Click once, enter, so that you can have the page seeing what you want to type. Then when you have at least the third line or whatever line you'll be on, using whatever you always do in a phone to paste something, then paste. As you can see, I've just pasted exactly what I had. What I had previously was something like begin, whatever. Begin StarClicks, blah, 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 all those things. Now, they are here. Now I can switch my mode again using where the pencil was. You can see now we have greater than and less than whatever sign. So let's just click on them again and we get back to compose view. On compose view, you can see I completely have nothing here. On compose view, that is, I completely have nothing here. The other thing that it was, I have written there and I've pasted, you can now see it. Now click on this arrow red that looks like a telegram, whatever, just click on it to publish your site, then confirm that the site is published. Now let me go and try to find this blog. As I said, this blog is not the first one, so it means I created it previously. So I have a link that will take me to my own. Now I'm not supposed to click this link myself, but for the case of, or for the sake of just seeing how it really looks, let me just try to use magic here and see if I can view. Yeah, exactly, thank you. I can view my blog. So let's see what is there. As you can see here, it's StarClicks. Then we are trying how this works. Now let's just wait for it to finish loading so that whatever we pasted there can be seen. Good. Now you can see it has come, whatever. Now all this coming here, this is your ad that you're expecting. So these are exactly how many ads. I can just assume it's one ad that is available here. And what I'm going to do is very simple. Click on the ad. Yeah, that was as simple as that. Now the ad has finished loading and everything is fine. Now this won't pay me because I'm not supposed to use my own. So this is not going to pay me because it's my own. So I was just trying to see, or we're just trying to check how it simply works. So it won't pay me because it's my own. Never try this. I'm risking my account too by doing this. So don't try clicking it on your own device because it's a mistake to do the same thing. So let's just go back from where we were. Now here's where we are. So you can see what I did. It was very simple. I just typed whatever I'm supposed to type. That is, write your blog the way you want to write your blog. Just add anything. Then once you've done writing whatever you're writing, then simply click on the pencil sign. This pencil sign will help you to simply go and add the HTML code. This is the best way of doing it. You can also do it using the layout. Someone will say something like a layout. Let's just try to go back. Now on these three lines on top here, top left, behind this, something like a house, whatever it's called. I don't know why you all call it. Okay, above these all one. So let's just click on it. You can also add this HTML code using the layout. So on layout, it's the same thing. You can either use the side bottom bar or whatever. Just anything that you feel is fine. For example, here I think I had already added something like that. So you don't need to come for this one if you have used the other side of the game. So my posts, just waiting for it to load whatever is there. Sometimes not in good mode of waiting for everything to load out. It was layout, so we are on posts. Good. I got my StarClicks here. You see, I got 0 views and whatever, but that's not the big deal now. The big deal is if I could be using a comp, you could have seen that like my impressions of could have added onto something and given me maybe something funny on this day, but apparently it won't because it's my own. So you can see I'm still on 108 despite me clicking that link. So clicking your own link doesn't pay you. Now that is the simplest way of clicking your link. That is clicking a link, I mean creating a blog that can pay you using your own mobile phone if you don't have desktop, or rather you cannot manage to get a laptop of your own. So this is the simplest way on how to do it on your phone. Now try it using your own link, then you will see the magic happening. Now give that link to someone else. Don't use that link on your own phone. Give the link to someone else. I repeat, give the link to somebody else. Give the link to somebody else. Now you can just tell someone, go and check my blog out, it's there, and that's how fun this stuff is really. By doing that, you're gonna earn some cash. I think you've seen my account. I have the cash. Here's my link. I do share out widely. I use different ways. I don't only use a blog. I use different ways of earning because there are many possible options. You can use Wix.com if you are able to know that how to a little about HTML coding. That's just the only thing you need. And Wix is completely what you see is what you get. So you just have to drop some templates in, out, and you're good to go. It's Wix.com. That is Wix.com, and you can do that, and you will still. And as long as you give your link to someone else, they go read there. If they're interested in clicking your eyes, they click on it, and that means cash to you. So the more traffic you have, the more money you can count in, the more sure you can be able to make out some good cash using your HTML code on StarClicks. Now for that and for many more, you can get my link still on the description of this video. If it's your first time checking this video, then no problem. You can find the other video just previously. Just check out my playlist, just find StarClicks, and you'll find the other video on how to use it on a computer if you wanna. But now this is the best for your phone. See you next time. when time allows, that is.